Biggest mistake when investing. The reason why a lot of people fail in investing is because they don't know the proper way of investing their money. Nagmamadali agad mag-invest sa negosyo, franchising, or stock market. I've been in the finance and investment industry for the past 5 years, and my biggest learning is that lahat naman ng investments maganda. Stocks, forex, real estate, business, franchising, at kung ano-ano pa. Pero kung hindi tama ang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga investments mo, pwedeng mapunta lang lahat ito sa wala. Just like what happened to my dad. Seaman ang daddy ko and nagbar ko siya for the past 35 years. Nag-invest sa mga lupa, real estate, may mga apartment din kami na pinaparentahan. At meron din siyang transportation business. Then he retired at the age of 56, knowing na marami naman siyang investment. Plus the business is providing really good para sa kanila ng mommy ko. Then after 4 years at the age of 60, he was diagnosed with kidney failure. 3 times a week dinadialysis and kinailangan pa niyang mag-undergo sa kidney transplant. Milyon-milyon ang naubos namin. The problem is, hindi kami liquid because most of our investments ay nasa mga high-risk investments. Sa negosyo at sa lupa. And alam nyo naman, ang lupa hindi naman basta-basta nabebenta yan kapag kailangan mo na ng pera. So to cut the long story short, nabaon kami sa utang. More than a year before namin nabenta yung mga properties namin and pinambayad lang namin lahat yun sa utang at sa hospital bills. Imagine yung pinagpaguran ng 3 dekada, pinambayad lang sa ospital. And this is the price to pay for not having financial education. If only my father was able to build his protection investment first before investing on high-risk investment, hindi sana nangyari yun.